morning. Welcome to the Grand Boulevard Hotel.
Good morning. I'd like to make a reservation for the third weekend in February. Do you have any vacancies?
Yes, sir. We have several rooms available for that particular weekend. And what is the exact date of your arrival, sir?
On the 24th of February,
How long will you be staying, sir?
I will be stay for 2 nights.
How many people is the reservation for?
Just me.
Okay. And would you like a room with twin beds or a double bed?
A double bed, please.
Great. And would you prefer a room with a view of the ocean?
What's the rate of the room?
4,000 per night, sir. Now, what name will the reservation be listed under?
Ardelmico Molina.
And is there a phone number where you can be contacted?
My cellphone number is 09515253
Alright, Mr. Molina. Your reservation has been made for the 24th of February for a room with a double bed and a view of the ocean. Check-in is 2 o'clock. If you have any other questions, please do not hesitate to call us.
Great. Thank you so much.
My pleasure, sir. Have a nice day, Mr. Molina. Goodbye, sir.